Hi and welcome guys in this new video. I hope you are fine. Today I will move to a new panel. This one is the modification panel. So complete the video and please do subscribe this channel and like this video to support us. So let's get started. Okay, the panel of modification contains commands to modify objects. It's very important to learn how to use most of these commands from the beginning. This not only helps you to modify objects, but also to save time when you are drawing. So in this video, I will show you the commands move and copy. I will start with the command move. It's very simple. So I will click on the icon move, or you can just type M with the keyboard. Now I will select the objects, press enter. Now I will choose my base point, for example this point, and now I click again to put the object in the new position that I want, for example here. This time I will move it exactly 500 to the right. So select the object, press enter and choose the base point. And now pull the mouse to the right without clicking, type 500, press enter, and here it is. Now I will show you the command copy. So I will type CO to activate the command, or click on the icon there. It works as the same way as the command move. The only difference is that keeps the original object. This time I will choose this base point, and I can copy the object to where I want. So I will copy it at 2000 to the left. Like this. Now I will show you another useful way of the copy command. So I will activate the command again, select all the objects, press enter and choose the base point. Now if you look, the command bar says specify a second point or array. So I will type A to activate that. And now I have to insert the number of objects to array. For example, 6. Okay, so you can see on the screen that we have 6 objects displayed in a row. And this is very important to put them with the same distance between each other. So I will type 2000 for the distance. And here they are. So this is the end. Thanks for your watching and expect the next video.